My name is Hugh Boswell. The company's name is Intrafit Ltd and I am a director of the company. We have been operating as a manufacturing company since 2008. Approximately 75% of our business is dental cabinetry, hospital cabinetry, laboratories. We've gone into manufacturing kitchens and marketing kitchens as an offshoot, and also solid surface worktops. What sets us apart from our opposition, I believe, is the quality of the product and the quality of the service, the backup that we give. Not everything goes right. We started looking for an edgebander, a replacement edgebander, late last year because of our diversification into the kitchen market from dental. We needed a edge-banded door of a higher quality than we could produce on our previous edgebander, and we went to the W16 show at Birmingham, and we had a fairly open mind. We looked at several machines and we narrowed it down to the CEHISA machine and two others. The general effectiveness of the CEHISA machine fitted the bill. We got the CEHISA operating in January of this year, so we've been using it for 5 months now, I guess. Before we had the CEHISA machine, our kitchen doors, we would have to spend a considerable amount of time finishing the doors after they came off the edgebander. Now, with the new machine, the product comes off of the edgebander within minutes. They're on the cabinet, so it has streamlined our assembly production area significantly. Not only is it quicker, it's also a better product. So combination of the two, it has transformed it completely. We work primarily with MDF bonded boards and MDF melamine face material. We only really use PVC edging, either in 0.8 mil or 1.2, depending on whether it's carcass material or fronts. We also do a range of two-tone edging. The new machine has made that a much simpler process. We do have the ability to switch from a neutral blue, which we use on all our lighter colour materials, to a black blue, which we use on the darker materials. It takes about 15 minutes to change from white blue to black blue. The way the machine is set up at the moment, it's a fairly painless process. I would definitely recommend a CEHISA to anybody that's interested in a replacement edgebander. The reasons that we chose it are the simple functional layout. It's sectional, so you can clearly see if you have an issue, where the issue is, and address it. The machine works as well as you could possibly hope for. It's very simple. That suits us. We didn't want anything that was overcomplicated, that we're going to have to get an engineer in every time something went wrong and he was going to have to look at the electronic box of tricks. This is quite mechanical, very easily adjustable, and it's just what we're after, basically.